Hi, I'm Nelson Drago with Charo Tea Room in Los Angeles on behalf of Expert Village. In this clip, we're going to be talking more about tea accessories. If you're looking to use a teapot, then here are some fine-born China teapots which you can use to brew or steep your tea. All you need is an infuser, which we have down the aisle. This is a samovar, which can also be used for steeping tea if you are drinking for the whole day. This is a top part which you have to make your concentrated tea in it, which has an infuser already in it, and you have to keep it on top. And this one you have your hot water, and it's electric, so it's plugged in from behind, and the hot water keeps this very hot. Another way of keeping a tea warm is to buy a teapot with the insulated cozy in it. This kind of insulation helps the teapot to keep warm or hot for about more than half an hour. So if you're talking, you're discussing, if you're on the phone, then this is the best teapot to use.